In this video, I'm going to walk through the proper process for downloading Nyquist plugins for Audacity. So what these are just optional Audacity-specific plugins that you can download to use with the program, and they give it additional functionality. So some of the most common ones that we use in audiobook production are the ACX Check plugin, the Limiter plugin, and there are a few other optional ones that you can use. For instance, if you need to get rid of clicks in your recording, there's a de-esser plugin as well that you can use to reduce harsh S or sibilance sounds. But what I want to show you how to do in this video is how to actually download and install those plugins so that you can use them with Audacity. And I am doing this on a Mac computer. So if you are on a Windows or PC computer, your screen might look a little bit different, but the general process is still going to be the same. So first, I'm going to find the plugin or effect that I want to download. And so I'm going to come to the Audacity site to do that, and I can put this link with the video. So I'm going to go through and find a plugin that I don't have yet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this Level Speech plugin from the list of available plugins. And that's going to take me to this download page, and I'll see this little download link here. So what I can do is I can either click on that link to download the plugin directly, or sometimes, depending on your computer settings, when this plugin downloads, you might see a .txt extension after it. We don't want that to happen. We can also use a slightly different process to download this file. You can hit Control and then right-click on this download link, and then you'll see this little box here, and we'll want to choose Save Link As. And then we can save it as, whatever name is pre-populated here, just leave that alone. You can put it right on your desktop and just make sure that the file format is this .ny file type. And then click Save. Then you'll see that the plugin has downloaded on your desktop. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to drop this file into our Audacity plugins folder. So on the plugin installation page, it tells us to place the file in the Audacity plugins folder at library/application support/Audacity/plugins. So what we want to do is just copy this phrase. It's almost like an address of where the plugins file is locally on your computer. So just highlight this phrase, copy it. You can use Control-C, or you can go up to Edit and click Copy. Then we're going to come over to the Spotlight search on your Mac and then just paste this right into here and push Enter. And then you should see your plugins folder kind of pop up like this. Now what you can do is you can actually click on this folder to open it or hit Enter. And then all we need to do is just drag and drop. Now the plugin is installed, but there's one more thing that we need to do in order to enable the plugin in Audacity. Okay, so that plugin was called Level Speech. So we're going to hop over into Audacity. I'm going to go up to Effect, and I'm going to choose Add Remove Plugins. Well, this is what is referred to as the plugin manager. So if you ever hear me talking about the plugin manager, or somebody else in maybe an Audacity forum talking about the plugin manager, this is what they're talking about. Now, we just installed that new one, so I want to come over here to New. And right here, I can see this Level Speech plugin that I just downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that so that it's highlighted. And then I'm going to choose Enable. So now when we go back to our Effect menu, I can come down here and see this Level Speech plugin that I just installed. So it is here, and I could test it out to make sure that it's working properly. But that is the correct process for installing Nyquist plugins on a Mac.